Have you been thinking about putting up a tiny home but not sure on the design? Take this tour with me on the DIY Virtual Homes. Building a house has a lot of important parts. You need to have a good foundation, walls, insulation, and a roof. All of these pieces work together to make a strong and safe house. The good news is that the frame, or skeleton, of this house is made to be very durable. It won't rot, get moldy, or get eaten by mice or bugs. It's also made to withstand things like heavy snow, strong winds, hurricanes, and earthquakes. No matter what the weather or environment throws at it, this house frame can handle it. You can also customize this house a lot. You can change and add just about anything you want to make it perfect for you. The main point is that this house frame is built to be tough and safe, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart. You can focus on making the house exactly how you want it. Here is our coffee break. If you're new here and like what you see, then subscribe and get fresh videos every single day. Those of you who have subscribed, we are now 375 people strong. I thank you very, very much. Why not figure out precisely what you need? Unlike traditional tiny home structures, sheds provide you with 4 walls, windows, doors, and a roof. This 280 square foot space is perfect for the real DIYer on a budget. This one might take some insulation, a floor, a coat of paint, some utility work, and a heavy dose of creativity. You could downsize your current lifestyle all without the hassle of going through buying a home in the first place. Just pick the right prefab option and you're good to go. If you've ever wandered up and down the aisles of your local Home Depot, you know how expansive it is. It has everything the DIYer and you could ever need, want, or dream of. If you don't mind the space of a small studio and you want a project to build and own for yourself, it has 3 screen windows, a 32-inch side entry door, 7-foot tall walls, 10-foot height, and 8-foot double doors up front. It won't be the easy job. Many of the others are, but it's one that the right person can take on easily. Sometimes you don't need much space. For some, a single studio is enough, and it definitely comes with some benefits. Simplify your life with a stylish getaway, a small space with a powerful punch. It's small enough that it doesn't require a permit to build, though your local area may need it if you had plumbing, electrical, or mechanical services added. Tiny homes are small, but they come with a lot of great benefits. One big benefit is that they are much cheaper than a regular-sized house. Tiny homes are easy and inexpensive to build, so you don't have to spend as much money. Another benefit is that they are super cozy and comfortable to live in. Even though they are small, tiny homes have everything you need, like a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area. Plus, they are really easy to clean and maintain. The best part is that tiny homes are portable, so you can move them around if you want to live in a different place. That means you can live in your tiny home almost anywhere you want. With all these awesome benefits, a tiny home could be the perfect place for you to call home.